Hello, namaskar everyone. Today I am present with the MCQs and important question of one more chapter, that is wildlife resources. So without wasting the time, let us go into the question. Question number 1. In which year Wildlife Protection Act was implemented? Option A 1971, option B 1972, option C 1973 and option D 1974. Question number 2. In which year Project Tiger was launched by the government to preserve tiger species? Option A 1971, option B 1972, option C 1973 and option D 1974. Question number 3. Reserved and protected forest are also referred as A. Unclassed forest, B. Permanent forest, C. Both, D. None. Question number 4. Sariska Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? A. Rajasthan, B. Kerala, C. West Bengal and D. Jharkhand. Now let us go to question number 5. Which of the following state has the largest area under permanent forest? A. Bihar, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Jharkhand. Question number 6. Which of the following species was included for the first time in the list of protected species in 1991? A. Insects, B. Plants, C. Both A and B and D. None. Question number 7. Manas Tiger Reserve is located in A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Assam, D. Odisha. Question number 8. Which of the following conservation strategies do not directly involve community participation? A. Joint forest management, B. Chipko movement, C. Beach Bachao Andolan and D. Demarcation of wildlife sanctuaries. Now coming to question number 9. Unclassed forests are mainly found in the region. Option A. Punjab and Haryana, B. West Bengal and Bihar, C. Kerala and Tamil Nadu, D. Northeastern states and parts of Gujarat. Now question number 10. In which of the following regions of India Chipko movement started against deforestation and to promote afforestation? A. Himalayan, B. Kerala, C. Rajasthan and D. Madhya Pradesh. Question number 11. In which one of the following states Periyar Tiger Reserves located? A. Kerala, B. Chhattisgarh, C. Tamil Nadu and D. West Bengal. Now question number 12. Which state passed the first resolution for joint forest management in the year 1988? A. Bihar, B. Odisha, C. Jharkhand and D. Madhya Pradesh. Question number 13. The inhabitants of which place declared 1200 hectares of forest as Bhairo Dev Dakab Sanctuary declare their own sets of rules and regulations which do not allow hunting and protecting wildlife? A. Ajmer Rajasthan, B. Gaya Bihar, C. Alwar Rajasthan and D. None of the above. Now question number 14. Which Andolan has shown that adequate level of diversified crop production without the use of chemicals? A. Chipko Andolan, B. Beej Bachao Andolan, C. Beej Rakho Andolan, option D. Venetia Andolan. Question number 15. Several hundred butterflies, moths and one dragonfly have been added to the list by Wildlife Act of dash and dash. Options are A. 1972 and 73, option B. 1980 and 1991, option C. 1901 and 2, option D. 1980 and 86. Question number 16. Which of the following national park is in Madhya Pradesh? A. Sundarban, B. Corbett, C. Bandhavgarh and D. Periyar. Question number 17. Herds of blackbuck, nilgai and peacocks are the integral part of which community? A. Munda, B. Rajputs, C. Santhals and D. Bishnoi. Question number 18. Which one of the following tree is considered sacred in Munda and Santhal tribes? A. Mango, known as Mangifera indica, B. Tamarind, known as Tamarindus indica, C. Mahua, known as Basia latifolia and D. Kadamba, जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं Anthocephalus kadamba. Question number 19. Sundarban National Park is in which state of India? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Kerala, C. West Bengal and D. Odisha. Now, last question of the chapter. Question number 20. Plants found in a particular region is termed as A. Fauna, B. Ecology, C. Biodiversity and D. Flora. So, all 20 questions are complete. Now, answers of the questions along with the explanation is given in the back. इसके बाद फिर इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस भी दिए गए हैं. सो ऑल द बेस्ट एवरीवन. हैव अ गुड डे. थैंक यू.